That's right, it's a cop.
Where do you come off saying it's a cop?
We got a predicament.
I never even heard about a cop serial killer.
That's who I like.
For movie fans, the upcoming weekend features two of the silver screen's heavyweights, Robert De Niro and Al Pacino, together in one film. The movie Righteous Kill is aptly named, as many actors would have lived up to the title just to share screen time with the two acting legends. Donnie Wahlberg, currently doing promo with his band New Kids on the Block, thought just that, as he's as awestruck as anyone else working with the duo.
You think of Robert De Niro, you think of Al Pacino, you expect, you know, greatness, because that's what they deliver consistently for years and years and years. When this opportunity came, you know, I pretty much would have been okay with sweeping the floors, you know, for a shot to work with those guys. But fortunately, you know, John thought I was right for this part, and I didn't have to sweep any floors. I actually get to go toe-to-toe with those guys, which is just tremendous fun. Much more fun than I ever would have expected.
Wahlberg also talked about the pressure he felt in the softball scene with De Niro, with director John Avnet breathing down his neck.
The only moment of nerves I've had on this whole movie, you know, is I mean, I've been completely loose and comfortable and relaxed, but we're doing the softball game, and John Avnet told me that I'm going to be pitching in the softball game. And I said, yeah, no problem, no problem. He said, Donnie, you better be able to throw strikes in that softball game. I said, don't worry, I'll throw strikes. Now, John likes to yell at me a lot, you know, because we're old friends, and he can do that on set and, you know, make an example out of me. But now when it's time to actually pitch, Robert De Niro steps into the batter's box. And I'm still loose, I'm having fun, we're playing softball, it's no big deal, but as I'm about to pitch, when they say action, at that moment it occurred to me, if this pitch is inside, I'm gonna hit Robert De Niro. That's gonna be a problem. But if it's outside, I'm gonna have John Avnet screaming at me in front of the whole crew, the extras, everybody. And I got nervous in that moment. I felt like, you know, a baseball pitcher, you know, trying to throw the last strike in the World Series. And I threw the pitch, and I had to go with De Niro. I had to go with protecting Bob, so I threw the pitch about 6 feet outside, and before the ball even landed in John Leguizamo's glove, I heard John Avnet screaming over him, I go, Donnie, you idiot, I told you to throw a strike, why couldn't you throw a strike? But what are you gonna do? I'd rather have John yell at me than hit Bob De Niro in the head, so.
Righteous Kill also stars John Leguizamo, Brian Dennehy, and Curtis Jackson, who is better known as rap superstar 50 Cent.
But I more than know them. I know everything about them.
These guys are all scumbags. You're staking them out.
Anyone gonna say it?